Hi everybody. This is where our printer normally sits, but I thought we had a dead outlet for our power cord, so I brought it in here because it wouldn't turn on. Turns out that no matter what outlet I will put or plug this into, it doesn't turn on. So I'm going to do a hard reset for this MFC L2700 DW. MFC L2700 DW. I'll put this on a tripod, but the first thing you're going to want to do, there's 3 steps. Unplug it, hold the button down for like 8 or 10 seconds, the power button, and then the third step would be to hold the button down again, the power button down again, and while you're holding it down, plug it in, and that should do a hard reset. So right now, to show you, plugged in, nothing. That's not good. It's probably the capacitor on the motherboard, but I'm going to put this on a tripod and we are going to use 2 hands to make this hard reset work. Okay, I moved the printer so I could get both the plug and the power button on in the same frame of the video, but the first thing I'm going to do is unplug it, step 1. Alright, step 2. Power button down for 8 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000. Give it a couple more for good measure. Take that off. Now the third step, hopefully this works, is to hold the power button down and then plug it in. And that should be the hard reset. So here we go. Power button's being held and I'm going to plug it in. And look at that, we have power. So that, my friends, is how you do a hard reset to get your Brother MFC printer back up and running. If this helps, hit like. If you really want to help out my little channel, hit subscribe, because that helps my algorithm and gets my videos to more people who can use them. Thanks for watching.